Hi, I'm Dr. Jacob Hudis. I've spent the past 25 years teaching students in math and physics, helping them boost grades, ace AP exams, and build real confidence in STEM subjects. If you're looking for a top-level tutor, this video will show you that I'm the best person for the job. I won't just tell you about my background, I'll show you exactly who I am. We'll go through my academic journey together, and I'll even share my transcripts. Not to brag, but to give complete transparency. Being a great tutor is about experience, knowing the subject deeply, explaining it clearly, and caring about students' success. That's what I bring to the table. I grew up in California and began college at Occidental College, then transferred to Columbia University through the 3-2 engineering program. I earned my bachelor's degree in applied physics in 2000. Here's my Columbia transcript. In fall semester 1998, I took Applied Math 1 using the Orfkin and Weber textbook. That semester, I also earned an A in complex variables. I did undergraduate research at Brookhaven National Lab and took a seminar with Horst Stormer, the Nobel Prize winner in physics that same year. In spring 1999, I took the second half of Applied Math, computational physics, E&M with the Griffiths textbook, ordinary differential equations, my first quantum mechanics course. I got an A-, but I didn't really get quantum yet. I also began working as an undergraduate physics TA. My first experience teaching, something I truly love. In my senior year, I took partial differential equations, applied electrodynamics, a graduate level course, thermodynamics, the theory of vibrations, another graduate level course. I took physical education activities, which was weightlifting. I remember benching 225 for 5 reps, and I took quantum mechanics 1. I made the dean's list every semester except my final one, where I got a bit too relaxed taking freshman econ at Barnard College. After Columbia, I earned my master's degree in physics from Johns Hopkins. I taught lab courses, conducted neutron scattering research at Brookhaven, NIST, and even in the UK. Several papers came out of that research work, and I continued tutoring during that time. I was the first author on a paper on magnetic transport properties in R cobalt indium 5, where R is a rare earth metal. I was an author on this paper, spin resonance in the D-wave superconductor cerium cobalt indium 5. I grew this compound at the Brookhaven National Labs and was present during all the neutron scattering experiments. This ended up getting thousands of reads and citations. Here were some other papers that came out of my time at Johns Hopkins. After Johns Hopkins, I began working as an RF electrical engineer in Silicon Valley. I worked at Novellus Systems. I worked on machines like this for nanofabrication of computer chips. But even then, I tutored on the weekends because I loved it. Eventually, I became a high school teacher, teaching AP Physics and AP Calculus at one of the top private schools in California for nearly a decade. In 2014, I began my PhD in physics at Florida State University. I passed the qualifying exams right away and dove into advanced coursework followed by 4 years of doing low-temperature experimental research on superconducting systems. I took all the standard graduate courses, including theoretical dynamics, electrodynamics A, graduate quantum mechanics, colloquium, and supervised teaching. In my second semester, I earned a 3.75 GPA. After my first year, I shifted my primary focus from coursework to research, while still enrolling in advanced courses like condensed matter physics and quantum many-body physics. Despite taking several rigorous courses in quantum mechanics, I never developed the same intuitive understanding that I found in other areas of physics. Over time, I've come to believe this is not a personal shortcoming, but rather a reflection of something deeper about the subject itself. Quantum mechanics remains conceptually unsettling. Even after years of studying, I suspect future discoveries will reveal missing pieces that make the theory feel more complete and natural. Until then, it continues to challenge both our intellect and intuition. Today, I'm a math and physics tutor, and I run a YouTube channel dedicated to making math and physics understandable and even enjoyable for students at every level. I'm not just a tutor, I'm someone who has lived this material from every angle as a student, researcher, engineer, and educator. I know what it takes to succeed in these subjects, and more importantly, I know how to help you succeed. Whether you're a middle schooler looking to get ahead, a high school student tackling AP Physics or Calculus, or a college student working through challenging material, I can guide you. If you want to build lasting confidence in math and physics, I'm here to help. Visit acephysics.org to book a lesson. I work with students of all ages, both online and in person. Let's build a rock-solid foundation in math and science together.
acephysics.org, Math and Physics Tutoring with Dr. Hudis.